How coffee helps with weight loss. First off, coffee is a metabolism booster. Studies show that caffeine can increase your metabolic rate by up to 11%, meaning your body burns more calories, even when you're just chilling. Not only that, but caffeine also stimulates thermogenesis, the process where your body generates heat and burns fat. And let's not forget energy and performance. Ever noticed how pre-workout supplements are packed with caffeine? That's because it enhances physical performance by breaking down fat stores and making fatty acids available for energy, helping you crush your workouts and burn even more calories. One of the biggest struggles with weight loss? Hunger cravings. But good news, coffee naturally suppresses appetite. Studies suggest that caffeine can reduce feelings of hunger, making it easier to eat fewer calories throughout the day. Now, not all coffee is created equal when it comes to weight loss. If you're loading your cup with sugar, flavored syrups, or heavy cream, you might be sabotaging your results. Instead, here's the best way to drink coffee for fat loss. Black coffee is king. 0 calories, maximum benefits. Skip the sugar. Artificial sweeteners and sugar spikes can mess with your metabolism. Try adding cinnamon or MCT oil. They can enhance fat burning and keep you feeling full longer.